welcome to this video. We're now done in setting up the shipping options. Now, let's jump into payment options. Here at MooCommerce, we want to provide you a convenient way of paying for your customers. Now, let's open our dashboard, Shop, and then Settings. And here you can find the Payment tab. And here are the list of the payment options available. First in line, we have credit or debit cards from Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and digital payments such as Google Pay and Apple Pay. All you have to do is click the install. So you will have to install the extensions. This is actually a plugin for MooCommerce. So if you see some errors here, so better call for our customer service to help you get set up. Another option is bank transfer. So all you have to do is to toggle this and complete the setup. But take note that there are bank transfer fees to shoulder by your customer. So here you may log in some of your information, but nothing to worry since everything is confidential. Add some description here and title and then instructions. So it might be like a digital bank transfer or a cash-in method or a transfer in your account. So all you have to do is to log in here your account number, bank name, code, and then SWIFT. And after that, you can add a more account if you have other bank accounts. And then after that, don't forget to click save. And then another one is check payments. This method is an offline payment that can be used for test purchases. This could mean via remittance or bank transfer check. To activate this, just toggle on and then complete the setup. So we can put on a title here, description, and instruction. But take note that this might take a while to verify the payments from customers. And then the next one is cash on delivery. This will simply let your customer pay in cash when their order got delivered. To activate this, you have to toggle on and then complete the setup. Here you can put a title, the description, and then also an instruction. Choose a delivery method so we can find here some prices or free shipping or another condition, and then click save. Well, actually, this is the most convenient for your customers, but also adds additional fee for the courier, and it might take a while to get your revenue here. And then the next one is Klarna. This is the most common shipping option offered when shopping online. While Klarna has the bank transfer services that offers buy now, pay later installment, which is the most convenient way to pay when shopping. So when you set this up, remember that it will replace the entire shipping options when they choose this. They will be redirected to the app to push through the payment. So first, make sure to create an account in Klarna. And here, you can be putting all our credentials, title, the description. Here you will put your API username and then password, and then also username for Klarna Test API and also your password. This is for integrating Klarna to your account. And then here you may check this one if you allow separate delivery and payment address, and also display shipping methods in Klarna iframe if you're using Klarna Shipping Assistant. So if you have that like a plug-in, you can be putting your thank you message note, and under the settings for payment, there you can customize the information needed to fill out by your customer. So read everything, allow customer B2C only or B2B. So it's up to you, depends on your business. And then the last one is Vipps. This will let your customer pay with Vipps online or in your store using their mobile number. Set this up, just log on to Vipps portal and then get your merchant serial number. And then once you get your credential, so toggle on to start, you need to log in your client ID to get your client code and your subscription key, and then of course your merchant serial number, which you can find all in Vipps portal. And then you may check this one if Vipps is a standard payment method. So almost done. Remember that there are no fees using Vipps when shopping online. So take an example. Do all of this one in each step. So they require you to log in some of your credential here to integrate, and then make sure to read all of this, and you may check each one if it applies to your products. Once done, click Save and don't forget to test out the payment methods. All of these payment options are truly beneficial for the convenience of merchandisers and customers. But we want to keep expanding our payment options in the future. We are looking to apply for more payment options like cryptocurrency wallet and other digital transfers. We will update more of this in the future. So make sure to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss anything. For our next video, we will continue our tutorials with MooCommerce. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!